Agithoma itua riake mucirithania Julius Nangea augite gutiri na wira muigani wa kuonania ati Brian Odhiambo uria worire ari moko-ini ma maabitha a KWS wa kuonania hindi ya kura gwake ari moko-ini ma maabitha aya kuona gutiri ndumiriri yandikithitio ceceni-ini ya borithi.
The petitioners advocates extensively cross-examined the first and second respondents, but they maintain that the subject is not in their custody. It boggles the mind how the subject could just disappear within air, national park, and then to get back home. As the first and second respondents have, however, denied having the subject in their custody, and there being no sufficient evidence to the contrary, no further orders or directions will be issued in relation to the habeas corpus application.
Itua riri niretigite aikari a Naikuru na makiria aikari a Kivumbini kuria Brian araikaraga na ciuria nyingi oho makiuga matigutiga gwetha Brian.
Leo tumekuja kotini ambayo ndo mali yenye tunaweza pata justice ya mwisho. Tunakuja hapa tunadanganywa tutoke nje. Judgment inakuja kutolewa saa 5. Wanatoa senye watu hawayuko. In whose hands are we safe? Kama polisi watachukua mtu watu wakiona waende na yeye waseme temepotea, so wana expect nani umlete? Kama kwa mkono yao watu yuko safe, kwa mkono ya koti watu yuko safe. Sisi ni wanani? Sisi ni wa Mungu tu.
Aroweri aihoto cia andu matongoretio ni Hussein Khalid maugite itua riri riatiga Kenya na ciuria nyingi cia kana no mehoke ruhonge rwa magoti.
The DCI themselves in court said that these 6 individuals should be charged. They have they have recommended to the ODPP to charge them with abduction to kill. So they, in their own wisdom, have confirmed the abduction. How then does the court come and say or confirm that these individuals don't have Brian? It really is baffling. Yes, it is the court. We have received the ruling, but we absolutely do not agree with it.
Emmanuel Yegon wakiri wa Brian ugite ruhonge rwa DCI no ruthiete na mbere na uthuthuria wao na kwoguo matigutiga gwetha kihoto kia Brian.
The distinguishing feature was this was an habeas corpus petition rather than enforced disappearance petition. So for an habeas corpus petition, what the court needs to be satisfied is this person in the hands of the respondents. So based on that analysis, the court has said is not in the hands of the respondents. So the other avenues that we can look at, for example, enforced disappearance and other issues of compensation.
Gary Fotera, shesheni ya Kameme TV, kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, jitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.